Hello, my name is Andy, and in this video I will explain to you what this Meta AI symbol in WhatsApp is all about and if it is a problem for your privacy. Let's first clarify what this Meta AI is all about. Meta AI is an artificial intelligence that we can ask a question to in order to receive a suitable answer. For example, I can ask Meta AI, what can I do against sunburn? Or how can I learn more effectively? Let me show you how it works. Go right here in WhatsApp, here on the Meta AI symbol. Then you can ask Meta AI whatever you want. For example, you can ask which is the tallest building in the world. Then I will get right here the answer. You have to know that this is an active conversation. So for example, if I want to ask something more, I can write it down. But if I want to start a new conversation, then I have to type /reset -all, and then I can start a new conversation. But where does this AI get all this information from? Quite simply, the AI has been fed a huge knowledge database and searches for the right answer based on your question. This saves us a lot of time of research if we don't always have to manually search for this answer on the internet. It must also be said that the AI continues to learn through its use and will therefore provide better and better answers in the future. But beware, you shouldn't always believe everything the AI gives you as answer. That's why I recommend to checking the answer for correctness. Or, for example, if you have an application template written with the AI, please rewrite the template again so that it sounds like a human. So in general, Meta AI can be very useful for our questions. Now the question, is that really dangerous for me? Unlike our encrypted WhatsApp chats, the AI naturally learns about your entries, and on the other hand, a Facebook employee can read what questions you have asked the AI. But it is very unlikely that this employee will read your chat from billions of users. But I recommend that you don't necessarily share everything with the AI what the AI don't need to know. If you still say, hey, I don't like that all, then I will link you here on the right side a video where I will show you how you can delete Meta AI.